Hello, guys. I am back and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'll be sharing my interview experience with NALCO, the National Aluminium Company. So, recently I got shortlisted for this interview based on my GATE 2023 GATE score. This video will be for instrumentation engineers, but other branches students can watch till the HR section. I will be covering two parts: HR section and technical section. First, I will be covering the HR section, then I will go on to technical section. So, in this interview, like I went in, and there were five interviewers, one lady, four gentlemen, and only two were asking me the questions. One in the middle and another was in the like left corner. So they started with basic questions like introduce yourself. So about yourself, like what's your name, where are you from, your family, what are you doing now, and the next questions will be based on next HR questions will be based on that thing only. Like in my case, I told them that I am pursuing an MTech in IIT Jammu right now. So they asked me why you want to come to NALCO and like why you don't want to continue to corporate. So you should be ready with such questions. The next question they asked me was we have many labor unions, like you have to like manage the labors here. So how will you do that? So be ready with such questions. The next question they asked me was about my hometown, my city. Like I'm from Amravati, Maharashtra. So they asked me what's the specialty of your city. And after these questions, they came to the technical section. The first question from the technical side that they asked was this like what is instrumentation? Basic. After that they went into valves, what are control valves, why we use them, what are the types of control valves. The second person asked me, "Do you know control systems?" I said yes. Then he went to into control system. He was asking like time constant and what is it? Very basic questions. Anyone who is preparing for GATE will be able to answer all those questions. Then he went into sensors and he started from like flow measurement. How we will measure flow. He just wanted to like he just wanted me to name the all the flow meters and all. So after that, they asked me about the thermocouple. What is thermocouple? What is on which effect it is based on what principle actually? And after that, what's the reverse principle of this thermocouple, like the Peltier and Seebeck? That thing was there. They asked me what are the three laws of thermocouple, and the next question was about relays, their working principle, their diagram, and then they like actually gave me a scenario where there was a tank, and on that tank like we made three holes, like the first one, second one, and third one. And from they wanted to know like who's if we open the tank and what will be the length of the water stream flowing through the tank, and which one will go farthest and which one, like, so that was the question. And it was like a 15-minute interview, 15-20 minutes interview. The next question was about the actuators, like what they do, why we need actuators and all. And after that, like, the last question was about this, that if we are sitting in a control room and if we are giving a signal from the control room, to which like tool it will go. Was a short interview. It was like 15 minutes of interview, and in the end they just asked me what are your plans, like after the interview, when is your return flight. So I said, sir, tomorrow. And then he suggested me that go to that multiplex and watch some movie. So these were the questions that they asked me in the interview. And yeah, and if you are like new to this channel, please subscribe and share it with your friends.